Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 28 to September 3, 2023. So bago tayo magsimula, promote ko lang ang aking mga power bracelets for manifestation and protection, healing, love, and money. Lahat po yan available sa Shopee at sa TikTok. So lahat po ng links nasa description, paki-check nyo na lang. Ayan. And of course, this is a general reading, no, Aries. Maari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. And also a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. So let's see, Aries. For you, you have links. You also have snake. So itong links, this is about independence, no, and being intuitive. So maaring meron kayong mga sisimulan, gagawin on your own, tatahakin on your own. Meron na kayong lakas ng loob, no, na gawin yung mga gusto nyong gawin dahil malaya kayong gawin yung kailangan nyong gawin. And you are finally taking action na kung hindi ka masyadong, gumawa ng paraan ng mga nakaraan, this week, mas gaganahan ka or mas maglalakas loob ka, no, na to finally do it. Kasi maaring iba sa inyo nagkakaroon kayo ng instinct na ito na yon, gagawin nyo na. Whatever that is, pwede yung, pwedeng project, trabaho, business, even relationships. But for some of you, you are going to be more independent na iiwasan mo ng umasa sa iba dahil alam mo na kaya mo on your own. Yes. And itong snake, this is also about healing. So you are healing from your past. Yung iba sa inyo, you are going with the flow, no? Ang importante is nakikita nyo na meron kayong progress or may nangyayari doon sa mga actions na tinitake ninyo. And this is also being more patient sa proseso na kailangan nyong pagdaanan. So, let's see what else. Aries. Ancestral healing. Oh, ayun na nga. Your ancestors are holding space for you to heal your past. You're healing from your past experiences. And yung iba kasi maaring for the longest time, meron kayo, you hold on or you held on to something or someone na kahit mahirap yung sitwasyon, nagstay ka pa rin. But for some of you, you are finally releasing that and nagpapaka-independent ka ngayon na nagiging mas self-reliant ka. O, diba? Meron kang new pathways. Consider whether you are happy on your current path. So, I think yung iba sa inyo, transition yan, no? May nagbabago na talaga sa landas na tinatahak nyo. Mas gusto nyo na merong progress yung situation or masaya kayo sa ginagawa ninyo. Kung hindi, di gagawa kayo ng paraan para makaalis dyan at sumubok ng mga bagong bagay. So, let's see your overall energy for this week. Your overall energy for this week, you have the Magician. You already know what to do, no? Alam mo na yung gagawin mo. And kompleto ka na sa mga resources, mga pangangailangan mo to move forward, to do the things that you want to do, and to create something na you are really involved in or you are passionate about. Okay? That's the Magician energy. And then, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Aries? The Hierophant. Maaring sa ngayon, nangangailangan pa kayo ng wisdom or kaalaman. Kailangan din naman natin yan na meron tayong mentor or someone na nagbibigay sa atin ng additional information, no? Or learnings para mas lalo tayong mapaunlad or mas lalo nating mapaunlad yung ating mga sarili. So, let's see. your opportunity, you have the Seven of Wands. So, as an opportunity, I think, ipaglalaban mo, no? Kung ano man yung nasimulan mo. Hindi ka basta-basta magpapa-impluwensya sa discouragement ng iba. Kahit na sinasabi nila na, oy, hindi mo kaya yan, or mahirap yung gagawin mo. But for you, ilalaban mo to. Kasi kumbaga yung iba sa inyo, pagod na kayo dun sa situation na lagi kayong nakaasa or kung ano lang yung ibigay sa inyo, 'di ba? So, you know what you deserve and ipaglalaban mo kung ano yung dine-deserve mo. This is your blessing. Wow, Ten of Pentacles. So, ito na nga, makukuha mo yung dine-deserve mo. Kasi alam mo na ito yung dine-deserve mo. Blessings, financial stability, abundance. This is also wealth for your family, no? So, in terms of your career, your finances, the blessing is makukuha mo yung ine-expect mo pagdating sa trabaho, sa career. And some of you, maaring meron kayong maiipon na pera, no? Na pwede nyong subukang gawing negosyo or gamitin sa pagnenegosyo or ibili ng isang bagay na mapapakinabangan nyo talaga sa bahay na worth it talaga siya. So, let us see. Ano pa? For Aries. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Oh, 'di ba? May achievement kayo sa inyong career. 10th house is your career. Merong advancement. So, the Sun is there and then the Capricorn. So, I think mas seryoso kayo ngayon na ayusin, asikasuhin yung trabaho, yung career ninyo. And yan ay magiging rewarding sa inyo. You also have Mars in Taurus in the second house. Second house is your money, your finances, your livelihood. Ayan. And you also have Mars there. So, I think meron ka talagang ipaglalaban dito na pinagkakakitaan mo or ipaglalaban mo yung values mo, yung karapatan mo to have your own money, no? Lalo na kung sa sa family or sa mag-asawa. Yung iba kasi pinipigilan ng asawa na magtrabaho or kumita ng sarili nilang pera. So for some of you, ipaglalaban nyo yun sa partner nyo. I-explain nyo na kailangan nyo talaga na merong pera rin kayo on your own, o sarili nyong pera. Para pag nagkaroon ng issue, problema sa asawa, sa partner nyo, and it will not be taken against you na parang iti-take advantage ka just because wala kang pera on your own, nakarely ka lang, 'di ba? So, let's see what else. Wow, position of authority. So, ito na nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, Aries, no? Na maaring meron kayong ma-achieve sa inyong career. Oo, posisyon. So, kayo ay magiging boss, no? Or meron kayong katungkulan. Leadership role to for some of you. There's a leadership role. And then you also have pineapple, reconciliation, pag-aayos, pagbabate. Kung sino man ang nakaaway ninyo or nakasamaan nyo ng loob, magkakaroon kayo ng reconciliation, mapag-uusapan. And then, you will receive a gift. Meron ka raw regalo na marireceive ngayong week na to. So, pwede tong material na bagay. Pwede ring, hindi na nabibili ng pera. Na masasabi mo na, regalo yon. Good health, pwede rin yan. So, let's see what else. Ano pa? For Aries. The magical and unique qualities of your untapped potential are unfolding now. Yes. Kaya nga kayo ay nagiging mas independent ngayon kasi kaya nyo nang maging productive, kaya nyo nang asahan lang yung sarili ninyo, 'di ba? Independence. You also have Peacock. Inherent wisdom is emerging at this time. Watch it and ready yourself for a rebirth. Ayan, may bagong ikaw. It's like the new version of yourself, a better version of yourself. And I also see na kailangan nyo rin talaga rito na meron kayong mentor or someone who's going to coach you or give you advice, no? Para sa mga susubukan nyo moving forward. Can be a career, a business, or kung ano man tong new beginnings na haharapin nyo this week. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.